Hello, and welcome to the Magnet Program presentation for Woodlawn High School. My name is Ms. Bennett, and I am one of the proud coordinators of a Magnet program at WHS. Our beautiful school is located at 1801 Woodlawn Drive in Baltimore, Maryland, 21207. Our excellent principal is Mrs. Jamel Jernigan. We have approximately 2,000 students in attendance, and we were established in 1961. In the summer of 2020, a state-of-the-art renovation was complete, making Woodlawn High School one of the most up-to-date schools in the county. At Woodlawn High, there are two magnet programs offered. The first is the Early College program, and the second is the Math, Science, and Pre-Engineering program. The Early College program is a college preparatory program that combines high school and college in a supportive yet rigorous educational environment. Through a partnership between the Community College of Baltimore County and Baltimore County Public Schools, students will have the opportunity to simultaneously earn a high school diploma and an Associate of Arts in General Studies degree, or up to 60 credits toward a bachelor's degree, which may be eligible for reciprocal credit at a four-year college or university. Students will earn credits through coursework completed at both the high school campus and/or the community college campus. College credits are tuition-free, and students are provided textbooks for their classes. Applications for entry are accepted from students in grade 8 for entry in grade 9. Internal applicants, meaning students who already attend Woodlawn High School, can apply during grade 9 for entry in grade 10, but may not be able to earn an AA by their scheduled date of graduation. Students in the early college program will take several key courses according to their grade level. Grade 9 students will take Communications 101, Theater 101, and Health 101. Grade 10 students will take Philosophy 101, Psychology 101, and Student Development 103. Grade 11 students will take college-level English, History, and Math courses. And grade 12 students will take specific classes that they decide on with a CCBC academic advisor. There are several benefits to the early college program. First, you can save time. Earning college credits while in high school may decrease the amount of time needed to complete a college degree. Save money. College credits are tuition-free. Earn a diploma and a degree at the same time. Students have the opportunity to earn both a high school diploma and an Associate of Arts degree, or up to 60 transferable college credits. Become globally competitive. Coursework is rigorous, engaging, and prepares students to be college and career ready. Finally, you'll also have access to several amazing programs and activities at Woodlawn High School, which will be mentioned later. The second magnet program, the Math, Science, and Pre-Engineering program, provides students with a strong background in biology, chemistry, physics, and mathematics. It provides students with computer skills necessary for conducting and communicating research and scientific investigations. It also helps students to develop a working knowledge of the research and design process. Applications for entry are accepted from students in grade 8 for entry in grade 9 and from students in grade 9 for entry in grade 10. There are 5 key courses in the Math, Science, and Pre-Engineering program. The first is Introduction to Engineering Design. The second is Principles of Engineering. The third is Digital Electronics. The fourth is Civil Engineering and Architecture. And the fifth is Engineering Design and Development. There are several benefits to the Math, Science, and Pre-Engineering program. First, there are partnerships with engineering universities and companies. There are engineering-related field trips, opportunities for internships, and again, access to all of the amazing programs and activities offered at Woodlawn High School. For accepted students who are zoned for Woodlawn High School, transportation would be provided as normal. For accepted students who are not zoned for Woodlawn High School, transportation is provided as follows. For students living in the northwest and southwest areas of the district, bus transportation is provided. For any student living outside of the northwest and southwest areas of the district, transportation would be the responsibility of the family. The faculty and staff at Woodlawn High School are dedicated to providing a rich and robust high school experience for all students. As such, we have numerous course offerings and extracurricular activities from which students can choose. We have approximately 12 AP course offerings. We also have various club offerings such as chess club, drama club, student government, and Educators Rising. We have numerous sports offerings such as football, basketball, track and field, cheerleading, and also dance. There's band and vocal music. We also have biomedical Cisco and networking programs, as well as a cybersecurity program and child development. We also have JROTC and AVID. For students in the early college program, there's also the possibility of being able to join clubs and organizations on the CCBC campus. Here's some general county-wide magnet information. We're going to discuss the application cycle, application information meetings, and high school magnet assessments. As you embark upon the application cycle, you will find that the Magnet Program website is your best friend. Located at www.tinyurl.com/BCPS Magnet, you can find magnet brochures with detailed information on every magnet program in the county, as well as the link to the online application and the assessment guidelines for each magnet program. Inside of the assessment guidelines, you'll find a wealth of information, such as information on the programs, the schools themselves, what's on each assessment, as well as how to register for each assessment. Once again, please visit the website for more information about magnet programs and the application timeline. For the most current information regarding magnet assessments for high school magnet applicants, please visit the Magnet Program's website at www.tinyurl.com/BCPS Magnet. It is important to note that parents interested in applying to magnet programs for their student must submit an application by the deadline a year prior to entry.